Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCGD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Absolutely monster move. I was going to say today, but not really today. More so just this afternoon, because you can see the majority of the day, nothing. And then all of a sudden this afternoon, kaboom, volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it. So yes, today, but more so just really the afternoon. Anyway, look at it though, monster move. So let's map out some of the newer areas of support and then resistance. So the first level of support going forward is what I would call the ideal level. So let me make sure I'm not missing out. Yeah, there we go. I thought I was missing out on something. So the ideal level, meaning if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above 58 cents. With that being said, don't get me wrong. It's not like if the price falls below 58, then that implies the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from definitely more so the broader picture, that is where the purple line there comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as next week plays out, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as quote-unquote the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 58 cents would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? Nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of where the party finally stopped this afternoon, and that was right up there at 67 cents. So 67, public enemy number one, again, for no other reason other than that's just where the enough sellers finally stepped in to overwhelm the buyers. But anyway, look at it, monster day. And I guess now that I think about it, today's Friday, great way to end the week too. So it'll be very, very interesting to see how this one plays out next week. And, again, another breakout, but big picture wise, I mean, that's what a healthy overall chart looks like. Higher highs, higher lows, and the trend continues. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.